to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want.
Hey everybody, how are you doing? And welcome back to my channel. I have missed you guys. Have you missed me? I hope so. I have to ask you, because I gotta make sure that you're still here. You get me? But yes, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today, I felt sexy. Oh my god. Because like... why am I like this? Yeah, today I felt sexy, man. Like, got dressed up, put on some cute little lingerie, you know what I mean? Ew. Ow. It's gonna be sexy to save my life. But yes, put on a cute little lingerie, cute little date night. You know how the thing's set, so I thought let's film this because it looks great. So today I'm coming to you with a hair. It's beautiful, right? From MyFirstWigs, beginner friendly and that. I didn't even need the salon today, honey. And also the makeup, like very like simple. I have stripped it all back and just gone back to like the basics because I just feel like a more natural look actually makes you look better and younger. The heavy thing on my face is just not fly no more, but I'm partial to a little bit of full glam and dragging it up. But yes guys, without further ado, just stay tuned and please enjoy this video. I hope that you learned something, that you enjoy it, and that you just enjoy seeing my face because I don't like seeing it. But yes, thank you guys and I'll see you in a bit. Enjoy! Guys, it's been a while since I've actually worn an Indian Remy wig, but you know what, I'm here for it. I love how like soft it is. I love the fact that it's not too thick. It just suits me really nice and I don't feel like I have a helmet on my head, you know what I mean? Because sometimes with wigs for beginners this comes out very simple in it, but I feel like this was so dynamic, especially the color. I think it was like a medium brown or a light brown, but regardless, the color really suited my skin tone. It was about 20 inches. It's just so silky, guys. And look at the lace, like it's just doing bits. I just feel like because it's like pre-bleached and it's already pre-plucked, I don't have to actually do all the other craziness. I can just cut the lace and just really focus on laying it down really nicely so that it looks good. I love all my wigs from MyFirstWigs. I feel like they're the wigs that I always tend to keep for every day because it's just so beginner friendly, and obviously it comes with a lace glue. And you know what, I actually underestimated the lace glue and I put quite not a lot but enough on. I didn't even let like the glue dry much because personally I'm very impatient, so you'll be able to see my results that if I actually let it dry clear, the results will be way better. But it still came out really nice, and as the day went on, guys, like genuinely it was just great. Just wait for it to dry. Don't be like me because then I have to like comb stuff out. But anyways, the lace is so transparent, guys, so transparent that like you couldn't even tell there's anything kind of like on my face until I just took the little piece off, right? That's because it's a transparent Swiss lace, so it just really like works into the skin really well. So I love that. I literally had to do nothing to this wig. I feel like all wigs should come like this from now on, guys, because genuinely it takes a long time to customize. Just look at that. Perfect. I also went back in and just like put some glue right back on the lace, and then also back in my got to be to kind of melt the lace at the front at the hairdryer on a low heat, just to kind of keep it in place. And I want to set my hair by tying it down. I also made some baby hairs in the end, just like a little small amount, guys, like the smallest amount of baby hairs. I just didn't want to like make my face have too much drama going on because I want to make a really cute makeup look. Now I'm just going to blow dry this out and make it look really cute and just get all the knots or anything else in there. And I feel like when you blow dry your hair first before you straighten it, it comes out even more silky. And yeah, this hair is not going anywhere because the glue, guys, is mad. It just keeps the hair in place. It was not going anywhere, and I feel like it's actually been the easiest wig to take off, especially using bonding glue. So yeah, man, I think that was a plus too. But even though this is a transparent Swiss lace, you can still see the glue at the front. It's literally not the lace, it's just the glue, but that dries down over time. So yeah, forgive me, I am quite impatient, but you know what, that's why it's beginner friendly, because it still will come out nice. But I personally believe that if I put some color on this lace, it will actually tint it and then it will blend in better with my skin, which is what I do at the end of this video. So please do enjoy this makeup tutorial though, because it actually came out super cute.
This tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? If we never met, babe, if we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up.
Ah, the makeup looks so cute. Now just to add a bit more bronzer to the lace. As I said, just tinting it always helps a sister out. So yes guys, just adding the finishing touches to this. I'm just going to straighten it out and just make you look super super cute. I think this hair is so effortless and so beautiful. I'm just really feeling the color, so much so that I'm inspired. Probably for my next video, I thought black, maybe brown, we'll see, maybe black, but I just really like this color, so I am definitely debating on whether or not I should have a few more wigs just like this. But yeah, it's just very therapeutic for me using these hot combs, even though I'm at fear of burning myself. And it happens, guys, it happens.
Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love.
Getting ready. Did you like it? I hope you did, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so grateful to have you here, to still be by my side. You know, the thing said, I'm always forever grateful. But before I go, I thought I'd just like give like a little 1-2 update about life and stuff like that. The reason being, yeah, I had a dream, yeah, that people that I knew or that I locked off and stuff like that, they were following me and trying to figure out what's going on in my life. So right now I'm trying to figure out my path, and that takes a while, right? And I'm young, I'm in my 20s. Like, I know like the hustle culture and all that is like kind of like pushing everybody to be more hungrier, to go for their goals, which I really appreciate. And I'm like, yes, you have to work for yourself, you know what I mean? Like, you have to, if that's what you want. But I do recommend it. But for me, I've worked very hard, and I've worked my ass off through so much crap. So like, I'm at the point where I'm so grateful, and to be able to just like do what I want to do and basically figure out my life. And I was just trying to figure out my path and also work on some stuff that will actually help me move forward in the future, and that's internally. So I felt like sometimes your career has to be sacrificed, well, not even sacrificed, but kind of put on hold so that you can focus on the internal, because I don't want to be on this platform, right, and get so lost into the source and just so hungry for money and power and fame that I lose myself. I really don't want to be that person. I don't care if I don't get there, as long as I'm comfortable and I'm happy and the people around me are happy, I'm blessed. So like, it's just been really important for me to like just be to myself. Locked off so many friends because it's a time in my life that I needed that, and I feel so much more free and at peace. And I'm an Aries and I'm a Scorpio moon, so I'm just savage, but Virgo rising, so it's sweet. But yes, like, we're just figuring it out in it. So like, be patient with this, sis, and there's so much more videos coming. I'm just getting back into the swing of things. I think because I kind of desensitized myself, I kind of like forgot about my phone, forgot about like filming myself, all of that, which kind of felt unnatural to me for a little while. But I'm back now, so like, yeah, it's just unlearning to learn, and then to like get back in the swing of things. It's just about being patient with yourself, being honest with yourself, just understanding that your journey is different from everybody else's. So there is no pressure, man. Like, I know how the world's moving, but just be still and one with yourself, and then everything will just come true really nicely. But listen, I can ramble on for days, you know. I am the #1 motivator in life. I genuinely believe that. I ain't ready to come out yet, but I soon come, baby. But yes, please do check out MyFirstWigs. And as you know, Black Friday say yo, I'm actually gonna go buy a VR set. I've already got the wig, so that's one thing ticked off. But yes, thank you so much, and yeah man, big up yourselves, and I will see you in my next video. I'm thinking long and curly. That would look nice. Anyways, bye guys.